Hey, it's Luxury Fred, and this is the beautiful Fairmont Sonoma Mission Inn and Spa in Sonoma, California. Just a little less than an hour outside of San Francisco. Sonoma is the next valley over from Napa Valley. And just wanted to show you some incredible drone shots that I filmed when I visited the hotel last year. And you can see that swimming pool. That's actually a mineral water swimming pool that's fed by mineral springs. And here are some incredible views with the drone at about 300 feet in the air, showing you the entire Sonoma Valley. So if you click the link up top there, you can see a tour of my mission suite that I stayed in when I last visited the hotel. And thank you very much for watching. You can check out Luxury Fred for more info on me and my adventures, and of course follow me on social media at Luxury Fred. And hey, please take a minute and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.